A beautiful morning, Christmas Eve, here in Adelaide, South Australia. What we're looking at here is Strelitzia nicolai, white bird of paradise. I only noticed a couple of days ago, so it's a little bit ratty now. Look, he's actually in flower. Move that out of the way. Always produces one head of flowers with 3 heads every time. Hopefully it's going to go to seed again this year. Yeah, plenty of seed. The bonus of this plant provides awesome shade out here in the Adelaide full heat to actually grow some bromeliads in the shade. They must love it down here. Is this one? It's decided to flower. Beautiful bit of shade in and around here. Out here, if we can get it to refocus. Beautiful yellow lilium. Another one out here, and that seems to be surviving, copping some direct full sun in the morning. Shows their resilience. Another angle of the Strelitzia nicolai. What a majestic looking plant.